Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with power off and a clean work area. This prevents shorting and loss. First, use a soft cloth and a plastic spudger to pry along the ear cup seam. Apply steady, even pressure and lift at multiple points to avoid cracking the housing. Once the cup pops free, locate and remove the 2-3 Phillips screws holding the driver and cushion assembly. Keep them in a labeled tray so reassembly is straightforward. Make sure to note cable routing before proceeding. Next, detach the old cushion. Slide connectors or unhook the small tabs that secure the foam to the plastic header. Do this slowly so you don't tear the fabric. Once removed, align the replacement cushion to the driver, match any guide tabs, and press evenly so clips engage or adhesive bonds. Once the cushion sits flush, check that the internal cable follows its original channel and isn't trapped. If adhesive is weak, apply a thin bead and press for 30 seconds to ensure a consistent seal. To finish, position the outer cup and press around the perimeter until you hear the retaining clip snap. This restores the airtight seal important for noise cancellation. Reinstall the screws finger tight, then snug them evenly. Avoid over-torquing, which can strip threads. Power on, pair via Bluetooth, and play a test track at low volume to verify drivers and ANC behavior. If you encounter hiss, silence, or no sound, power down and reopen to check cable seating. Screw torque and whether the cushion sits evenly. That fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.